Hello there and welcome back to Bolts for Bucks. Today we're reviewing this Caldwell Rock Bench Rest Front Rest. So this thing is hefty. It's probably 15 or 20 pounds, made of high quality metal. It has these nice feet that thread all the way through the leg of the stand, and you can adjust them and use this lockout here to really lock them in place. It has a nice spike so that it really digs into wood or cement or whatever you're shooting on, so you know whatever bench you're shooting on, it can really get a good grip in there and not wobble or shift on you. Then on the left side here, you're going to have this tension knob where you can tighten it to lock it completely out or loosen it, and that's going to allow you to either lock out the elevation so that it can't move at all, or release the elevation so that you can let this thing up and down. Then on here you have this really high quality, fast spinning metal wheel that adjusts the elevation by going clockwise, then counterclockwise to bring it back down. It's 3 feet, so two in the front and one to the rear. So this is actually the one that's going to be facing you if this is used properly. On the top here, you have a nice little bubble level so you can make sure you're level, and it comes with this bag and a clasp that this attaches to and then is screwed into the stand, but it also comes with a separate bag that you can fill with silicon sand yourself, that's thinner profile, that fits in here and is a little bit lower, and that's the one that you want to use if you're truly competing in bench rest. This is a little bit quicker and easier, and this one comes pre-filled, but it comes with both options. Then on the sides here of the bag, let me see if I can get this in frame, you have these tension screw adjustments, and this is going to adjust the tension on the sides of this bag. And so it's going to squeeze it close so that it can be snug against the fore end of your stock, or you can release it to widen it. And that becomes more adjustable if you use the other bag that they give you. Then to adjust the windage, you can actually adjust this knob on the left, and it's going to adjust this entire top here, left or right, so that you can adjust your windage and make really fine-tuned adjustments. On the front here, this is actually, if you're using the lower profile bag, you're going to push your bench rest rifle stock until it hits here, just touches right here, and that way when you shoot, you're shooting from the exact same position on the fore end of the stock every time, and then you can get increased accuracy that way. Make sure everything's exactly the same for great repeatable accuracy, great groups, and long range shooting. But highly recommend you guys check out this Caldwell Rock Bench Rest Front Rest. It's top quality, excellent, and it'll improve your shooting if you do the necessary practice with it.